Hey, check these things out. New handguards. I'm going to show you exactly how to put them on. Protect your hands from trees or rocks or car mirrors. Okay, let's go. Alright, so today we're going to fit these onto this. Nice handguards. Protect our fingers and our levers and our brake booster and all that kind of stuff. So these are going to go on using these supplied bolts and things, brackets, and oh, that's the FCR cub, which I'm looking forward to chucking on in a future video. Not going to do that today, but yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so what we're going to want to start with is a knife, like this, a standing knife, and cut off the end, because that's where these are going to go. Right. And you know what? Might have to cut around this loop here because we want this to turn while it's screwed on there. So we'll do that. Worst case scenario, we might get hand grid. Might need to cut a little bit more of that. Alright, so we've got the metal there, exposed. Now, these things came with a sleeve. I'm assuming that to be able to grip. I'm going to try doing it without the sleeve. If I can get it up. Yep. Alright, so guard. Goes there. And we've got one of these things. That'll go over the handlebars. We'll see if we need these rubber bits, depends on how thick the bar is. So all you need pretty much is some Allen keys and some Allen keys. Yeah. What we have to do is remove this part first, this expander thing that opens up this thing. Get it off the sleeve too. Yep, so both of them come off. That goes in there, and you can see there's a little slot in there that goes in. So that sits snug in there. Screw that back on. I'm having a feeling I might have to use that plastic sleeve. Is it a 6 or is it an 8? I reckon it's an 8. It is not, it is a 6. Always when I do a unit. I don't think this is going to work. I reckon that's just going to be turning. Turns out you don't need the plastic sleeve. Alright, so I'm going to wind that back a bit, leave it loose, so we can get the other bit on. Of course I'm wrong. It is a 4. I want to take that one out. let's see if we can slip that onto the bar. Yep. We just one goes on like that, and flip it over. And we're definitely going to need our rubber sleeves. Screw it back in here. And you won't tighten those up too much on the handlebars right now, so we can fit the screw that's going to hold this end on, and take that out with the washer. It's a long screw. So the screw in the washer, put that in. There we go. So that's barely tight, and then we'll tighten up the other Allen screws before we get onto this one. Or no, actually, we'll do that one where we want it, and then we'll tighten those ones finally. It seems like the right process. No, it doesn't have to be really tight, you have to like crank it in there. That seems quite tight. Alright. I want to expand the handlebar pipe. It's my first time doing this, guys. First time ever. Pretty simple. I mean, it looks complicated because there's a lot of moving parts like this and that. But, yeah, I've done a bad job in explaining it, considering it's my first time. And that's it. Pretty much the same process on the other side, except, you know, flipped. And there you go. Got handguards to protect your hands from trees and bushes and rocks, or car mirrors, whatever. You know,